Good evening, Professor. Good evening, everyone. We are Team Trouble presenting the case study with a focus on digital transformation with special reference to one of the topics that has given to us, that is ServiceNow or Jira. So let me introduce my team members. We have Anjali, Arthro, Nadika, myself, Mumtaz, Tej Pratap, Nikhil, Dhruvi, and Hanisha with us. The company we have chosen here is 45, and the service of application that we have chosen is Jira over ServiceNow. We'll explain why, but before that, I would like to introduce you the concepts of ServiceNow and Jira.
When looking for a service desk solution, you might come across a number of different options. Despite that, there are seemingly two leaders: ServiceNow and Jira Service Management. ServiceNow is a cloud-hosted service desk built with IT service management in mind. It uses machine learning to leverage data and workflows to help businesses become faster and scalable. It's the third biggest software as a service company in the world, and it caters to various industries. Jira Service Management is a ticket tracking system that aims to connect IT and service teams for request, incident, problem, and change management. It's often regarded as one of the most complete and versatile enterprise task management products on the market.
Yes, so far we have seen that Jira is the ticket tracking system. It connects the IT team members with the service team members, and it's a great tool for change management. So that's why our company, what we have proposed, 45, has taken Jira over ServiceNow because it serves the purpose what they are looking for. So in 2014, 100% of this IT service requests were being submitted via email in a single inbox system. Then this company has tried to change it, and then they have implemented Jira Service Desk, which has not only provided them with a better user experience, but also it allowed them to manage their internal queues, also created a self-service knowledge base of FAQ, and also it has managed both the user experience and internal management teams. And now we see how Jira is an infrastructure operation and how they went on with that. So first thing, Jira is a ticket-based system. As we see, all incidents will be logged in here, tracked here, and it is a major start to the end. Everything is being going through the ticket system. So it is one stop for all. It's all requirements that you're looking for. And it helps with the documentation where it is a central repository for incident documentation and with the resolution processes. Next, it is a Jira Agile for postmortem analysis, where it says that where the incident has been started, what is the cause of that, and how they can take the prevent the reoccurrences in the future. If you see that it monitors from the logging to the resolution, that's why it is called as an end-to-end tracking system as well. When we say it's a preventive future implementations, it says that it allows people to see how the future outages can be prevented from the previous case studies that they have taken in. Operational continuity emphasis, it says that it highlights the role of incident management in both managing and maintaining the service reliability. Now we see how this Jira Alliance supports the Spotify model. First thing is tribes, chapters, and guilds, where we contribute tribes as large groups of squads aligned around a common mission or goal. Chapters are functional groupings of individuals with similar skill sets, and guilds are the informal communities that connects individuals from various squads. And we see roadmaps. How Jira connects the roadmap. It is a communication platform where people can share their visions as a team on program levels or product levels across the organization buildings, and then it releases its own plans. When it says risks, it manages and reduces both the risk from the models such as ROAM, where it says that react, own, accept, and mitigate the risks from there, which improves the visibility and drives the mitigations from there. When Jira is a unified work tree, it says that it gives the overview of all work items in a PI, whereas a project implementation, and also it drill downs the hierarchy of the progress across the teams. Now we see how it helps in forecasting. It allows the epics, features, and capabilities, and it says how the past experiences of the tickets has gone and how the future implementations or reoccurrences or the errors can be denied from there. It helps with Kanban, which is usually a visualized workflow, which limits the work in progress and it matches the system capacity as well. Jira helps in dependencies where it manages and reduces delays through dependency coordination across the teams as well. It is a lean UX and UI platform where shareholder driven lean uses the case design tied with the persons and experience maps. It helps in team meetings as well, where people can plan, execute, track the work in online ceremonies, as well as providing a live view of the progress. And in the end, it helps with the story maps, where people can organize their product backlogs, as well as the frames, user journey for execution and its alignment. Now I pass it on the slide to my colleague Anjali and she'll introduce from there. Thank you.
Thank you, Mumtaz. Hi everyone. Hi Professor. I'm Anjali. I'm going to introduce about the Spotify. It is renowned music streaming platform and has revolutionized the way we listen to the music. With a vast library of the song and personalized playlist, it offers an unparalleled music experience. Where on the Jira, on the other hand, is an industry leading project management tool that enable team to plan, track, and release their software efficiently. It is versatile and robust feature make it favorite among development team. Imagine the synergy of merging Spotify and Jira. By integration, this platform development team can seamlessly manage and track their project while enjoying their favorite music in the background. Where the benefit would be like improved project visibility, effective issue tracking, agile workflow and flexibility, cross team collaboration work, and the difficulties where rhythm of the innovation, disruption, user adaptation, and training integration with various tools. I would like to call Henisha for Agile Challenge in Spotify. Hello everyone. So I'm going to talk about the challenges in Spotify by using Jira. So the first one is convergence of squad with the strategies. So it's squad missions align with its product strategy. It can be challenge while using the Jira for Spotify, even the avoiding this appropriate goal focus while keeping stakeholder informed of squad status. And the second one is preparing for publication, so it affect while using a Jira, like it can be in the importance of maintaining a steady pace in a product advancement, or it can be make consequences of neglecting characteristic in a product releases. Now the third one is dependency management. Like it can be effect in minimizing dependency in aligned addressing complex interdependencies and adapting priorities when swift solutions are unavailable. Fourth one is leader involvement in chapters. So it can affect in the ways of in-person meeting to support team goals, challenges in chapter heads, grasping squad strategies, and the need for understanding team members' capabilities and comprehensive workflow complexity and Jira. So complex Jira procedure may complicate workflows, impacting team collaboration and user experience, and emphasizing the need to streamline process for enhanced productivity. Sixth one is Jira's limitation. Instance where Jira lacks crucial functionalities for operations, augmenting Jira using alternative methodologies or software apps. Now, the seventh one is poor page loading speed, impact of increased Jira usage on effectiveness, strategies for enhancing Jira efficiency, removing unnecessary feature, improving speed, infrastructure investments. Eighth one is integration challenges. Issues in integration Jira with diverse ecosystem, challenges in Jira integration with essential Spotify of technology, and potential discrepancies impacting information flow and efficiency.
Okay, so I'll be talking about implementation of Jira Agile in Agile transformation. So first of all, like all the other organizations, Spotify actively seeks effective management method to enhance productivity, teamwork, and flexibility in its project, especially in the ever-changing landscape in music industry. So in this pursuit of flexible project management approach, Spotify employs Jira, a versatile issue tracking and project management tool developed by Atlassian. So this focuses on the adaptation of Jira uh, by Spotify during its agile transformation. So the second is Jira and agile methodology integration. How Jira and the agile methodology adapted by Spotify integrated. So in this modern project management, agile methodology emphasizes especially on development, teamwork, and customer input. So Jira, like it's basically aligning with the principles of Jira as well as the Spotify. That is your customizable workflow, split sprint planning features, real-time collaboration, and changing management functionality. This all is aligning with the Spotify's necessity. Next slide, please. Then the impact challenges and cultural transformation. There was definitely an impact of this Jira adaptation, and there was a cultural transformation as well. So first was the positive impact of adaptation of Jira, that it makes the workflow and the customized planning very seamless. And then there were challenges faced by the employees, that it is very much hard to learn the new technology in this ever changing world. And it was too much data oriented, and the decision making was too data oriented in terms of decision making. Then there was a future outlook for Spotify agile transformation with Jira. And then the last one is Spotify strategy importance in competitive music streaming market.
Yeah, thanks, Tej. Now I'm going to talk about the implementation of Jira adaptation and customization. So Spotify officially adapt Jira as a central tool for project management and collaboration across teams. They integrate Jira into their workflow to streamline the processes. Spotify customized Jira to align with their agile methodologies, and this involves configuration of workflow boards and features to suit their specific needs for adaptive developments. And also, Spotify utilized Jira's capabilities to recognize teams into smaller and more autonomous units. This restructuring aimed to empower the teams to manage themselves effectively while fostering collaborations. The adaptation of Jira facilitate enhanced collaboration among different departments also and teams within Spotify. Its customized features allow for smoothing communication and also coordination across various projects. When we talk about the productivity optimization, through the customization, Spotify adjusts limited functionalities within Jira to optimize productivity. This tailoring ensure that while teams has autonomy and they operated within efficient boundaries. Jira implementation at Spotify showcase its capability and adaptability. As Spotify grows, the tool was able to evolve and accommodate the changing needs for organization. Rest will be presented by my colleague. Atro, over to you. Thank you.
Thanks, Narika. Hello, everyone. Today let's explore how Spotify could transform with Jira, a tool known for enhanced efficiency and collaboration. Firstly, Jira could streamline Spotify development process. Its capability to manage complex workflows and adapt quickly in AI environment is remarkable. This means that Spotify can efficiently handle their dynamic project demands. Is a key benefit in today's fast-paced tech world. So among all the benefits, we can see how they improve the efficiency, they streamline the process. Also, they quick adapt to change, enhance collaboration among teams, and enhance the handling of complex workflow. Despite of all the challenge and limitation, the benefit achieved are really good. We see the results in the company. And following another benefits, we have Jira enhanced teams collaboration that brings transparency, allowing easy sharing of updates and effective staff collaboration. Such feature aligns with the Spotify culture of autonomy and accountability. That's very important. So we can imagine the teams at Spotify collaborating in real time, managing dependencies simply. So additionally, Jira supports autonomy and self-management. This is crucial for Spotify squads. This flexibility empowers teams to innovate and engage more deeply with their work, resonating with the dampings insights of motivations. In summary, Jira integration could lead Spotify to higher efficiency and better team collaboration, aligning perfectly with their agile approach. Thank you so much. And now I pass to Nikhil.
Thank you, Arturo. Hello everyone. Now I will talk about benefits achieved by Jira. Benefits achieved by Jira for the scalability and solution. So for the first one is the flexibility workflow management. As we can see, the system controlling process in Jira is very adjustable. We can help the Jira for the flexibility to in our projects to develop and release the process quite simple and organized in the organization. The second one is effective issue tackling. Significant projects need Jira's issue tackling function. Jira can be used on Spotify in tackling and management of various issues throughout the numerous departments. The third one is centralized project management. Spotify can the handles the harness Jira and centralized project management so that the teams to different departments and sports communicate with ease. This creates a centralized environment that ensures that everything's going smoothly in the whole project. The third one is integration with development technology, which helps the Jira to compatible with most development as well as in a team works on which Spotify's team have unified platform. This ease of handling the whole work project by the departments can be code respiratory and quickens the development process. The fifth one is the cross-team collaboration. Teams can be find such information in one place using Jira as a platform of the centralized communication and information exchange. It is likely on the other groups and working with similar ideas, Spotify will stand a benefit from it the most. Working on shared task dependency and as well as the shared data or in a piece of cake within teams as an interact easily. Can you change the slide? Yeah. So now we will talk about solutions for Spotify using Jira. The first one is the custom workplace. Spotify helps to make a custom adjustments in the projects where Spotify utilizes two distinct developments as well as a release process which can be recreated as a Jira custom workflows. The second one is portfolio management. The management and the plane at the scale using Jira's portfolio for Jira. This helps Spotify using a top level view of the status of various projects that going to the whole they're going to the whole across the entire organization with this aid. The third one is dashboards and the advanced reporting. To find out how your team projects and company are doing, the dashboard and the report functions in Jira is very helpful. Spotify may use customized dashboards and create different views of the system for some stakeholders. The next one is the automation rules, where we can automate our rules through Jira, minimize minimal labor, and enhance productivity, which helps the teams to collaborate more efficiently and effectively for their departments, and they can give them more work into their projects. At last, we can talk about the third part, integrations, which helps the research and integrate Jira with other Spotify platforms that involves communicating, collaborating, and developing most advanced and helpful tools and techniques which can develop and proceed more in their collaborations that eliminates the silos and bottlenecks, therefore ensuring and there is a seamless movement of data and information in the firm. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil, for briefing us out about on benefits and solution for the Spotify. Here I'm going to talk about the reflection on agile practices, where it emphasizes on how Spotify has embraced agile practice principles and methodologies in its software development process. Now, breaking down the key points, we have like agile is whereas in software development approach that prioritize flexibility, adaptability, and collaboration. It characterized by iterative development where requirement and solutions evolve through collaboration between self-organizing cross-functional teams. Also, Spotify's agile approach, we see that Spotify's implementation of Agile has set a new standards for how innovation is approached in software development, and it is likely using Agile to quickly adapt to changing requirements and market conditions as well. A key aspect on Agile methodologies, also emphasizing collaboration, and it seems Spotify has integrated this aspect into its development process too. Now, when we talk about customer centricity and continuous improvement, There's an importance of customer centricity in Spotify's agile practices. Also, agile practice focus on delivering user value through piecemeal and iteration, manifestation of continuous improvement in Spotify's agile development. Its practice also includes squads, tribe, chapters, and guilds, and by using the same, it allows for specialization in certain areas by ensuring that there are experts in different domains or technologies. At the same time, the structure encourage collaboration both within specialized group across the organization. And yes, that was all about Jira software in Spotify. Thank you. We have also attached the references on the last two slides. Thank you so much, everyone.